Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers I will share you beautiful button crafts ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. Button keychains make small and cute keychains in the shape of art, flowers, and animals. Seasonal button crafts. Button are perfect for Christmas trees, snowmen, Eid moons, and star pumpkins, and birthday decoration. Button animals and insects. Create ladybug, owl, cats, fish, bees using different button size. We'll having fun and viewers. My next idea is viewers. And friends, kids learning crafts. Button help children learn counting, colors, and patterns while having fun. Button home decoration. Decorate jar, mirror, culture, wall hanging, and storage boxes with the button. And dear friends, I hope viewers I enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care.